I'm Stephen Haig. I work with the engineering team here at Walker Manufacturing, and today I want to introduce you to some updates for the C23i in 2025. Today we're standing with the first machine to run down the assembly line this year, and it's got all those new updates in it, so we're going to dive into what those are. There's three components to the design update on this blower assembly, which improved the performance of it significantly. Start with the fixed chute, which is what connects the discharge from the deck to the inlet of the blower. We reduced the angle of that chute, which allows flow from the deck into the blower to be much less obstructed and easier and a higher volume. You now get a clear shot from the back of the deck discharge straight into the inlet of the blower. We also increased the inlet diameter on the blower from 6 inches to 9 inches, which allows that material and air to flow freely from the deck discharge straight into the inlet of the blower, which I think is a significant improvement. Lastly, the blower wheel remains 3-bladed, but we increased the angle of attack of those blades so they have a lot more surface area, which is moving air through the system and material, throwing it up into the catcher box. Finally, we added a pre-cleaner to the air intake system, which moves the intake from the back of the machine near the catcher box up to the front by the operator seat. This is going to be a cleaner air source for fresh air for the engine, and also adds a layer of filtration with the pre-cleaner. We also get the airflow indicator now on this machine, very similar to what you've seen on the models T and D by Walker. We're really excited about these updates on the C23i for 2025. The 25% increase to the blower is a significant improvement. Allows you to do high performance collection mowing at high speeds with a big tire kit on this machine. It's really fun to mow with. We really enjoyed the testing process, and we think these are good, significant improvements to bring this machine to the next generation of Walker mowers. So thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you next time.